Mastering Agile Manufacturing Systems. Agile Manufacturing Systems prioritizing flexibility ignite a quality control revolution. Where can the implementation of Agile Manufacturing Systems, which prioritize flexibility and rapid response to change, lead to improvements in quality control, and what specific quality control metrics or processes are most significantly impacted by this shift towards operational excellence? The implementation of Agile Manufacturing Systems, which prioritize flexibility and rapid response to change, can lead to improvements in quality control by enabling real-time monitoring and adaptation to production fluctuations. This shift towards operational excellence can significantly impact the following quality control metrics and processes. 1. Defect density. Agile Manufacturing Systems enable the rapid detection of defects, allowing for swift corrective action, thereby reducing defect density and improving overall product quality. 2. First time right, FTQ, rate. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, Agile Manufacturing Systems promote a first-time right approach, reducing the need for rework and improving overall process efficiency. 3. Mean time to detect, MTTD, and mean time to resolve, MTTR. Agile Manufacturing Systems facilitate the rapid identification and resolution of quality issues, thereby minimizing downtime and reducing the impact of quality-related disruptions. 4. Supplier quality performance. Agile Manufacturing Systems enable real-time monitoring of supplier performance, allowing for swift intervention and improvement initiatives, thereby enhancing overall supply chain quality. 5. Customer complaint rate. By prioritizing flexibility and rapid response to change, Agile Manufacturing Systems can reduce the likelihood of customer complaints, thereby improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. 6. Quality cost reduction. Agile Manufacturing Systems focus on real-time monitoring and rapid adaptation enables the identification and elimination of waste, resulting in significant quality cost reductions. 7. Process Capability Index, CP/CPK. Agile Manufacturing Systems facilitate the continuous monitoring and improvement of process capabilities, ensuring that processes operate within predetermined specifications, thereby improving overall quality and reducing variability. By adopting Agile Manufacturing Systems, organizations can harness the benefits of operational excellence, leading to enhanced quality control, reduced defects, and improved customer satisfaction.